So, how do you bring your hand-drawn animation into Blender? I've got the solution for you. Look at this cute little walking duck I drew in Krita. Lineart's done, looks clean. But coloring in Krita? Meh. And compositing with fancy camera moves? Pfft, forget about it. Here is a smooth workflow. It works with any animation software. Render your animation as a PNG sequence, only the unique frames. Smart! The higher the resolution, the better. Jump into Blender. Use the default 2D animation template, or set up your camera quickly. Add a new grease pencil object in Add, Grease Pencil, Blank. Install the NijiGPen add-on from Gumroad or GitHub. Go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, and hit Install from Disk. Done. Switch to your camera view. Go into Draw mode, open the NijiGPen add-on tab, and hit that sweet Lineart button. Start with just one frame to dial in the settings. Pick a threshold, try changing sample length, smoothing, and set the size. Try it a couple times until the line looks crisp. Got it looking good? Now select your whole PNG sequence and check Image Sequence checkbox. If you animate it on 2s, set frame step to 2. On 3s, you know the drill. Hit Import and wait for the magic. Boom! Your animation is now living in Grease Pencil. Quick cleanup. Erase those stray pixels, tweak the lines, check the frame step for consistency. Easy! Next, coloring. Check my full Grease Pencil coloring video if you want to deep dive. If you have color separation lines done, render them separately from the line art. This will make the process easier. Import them into a separate layer. Create fill materials and then use NijiGPen and its smart fills. Way smoother and more fun than in Krita. Slap on a cool background and foreground, animate the camera with some parallax, because Blender shines in this. Add some effects on the Grease Pencil and in the compositor, bloom or glow, film grain and color grading, and hit render. Look at that, your animation is now full of color with beautiful effects all in Blender. From flat 2D lines to this, chef's kiss. Stop wasting time fighting your drawing software limitations. Import those lines with NijiGPen, color like a pro in Blender, and composite like a boss. Your 2D animation just leveled up. If this workflow blew your mind, smash that like button right now. Subscribe, and I'll keep the shortcuts coming. Show some support to the developer of the add-on if you can. Not sponsored, I just love the add-on. And if you actually made this far and tried it, post your own walking duck emoji in the comments. I wanna see them strut. Ready to make your 2D animation dreams come true? Go check my full 2D animation course in Blender. Now go and create something amazing. See ya!